working on it. We're gonna keep tuning on it, see what we can get out of it. We're excited to see what we can do next.
So I had the Loki kit. We went as fast as 10.0 at 140 miles per hour. But like anything here at VMP, we just couldn't leave that alone. We had to turn up the wick a little bit. And so we went full builds. We had to top off this beautiful piece of artwork with the new Odin supercharger. And to help move that air, we've got a set of CNC ported heads by Bret Barber at Airflow Solutions, as well as a set of stage 1 comp cams. We've got everything that comes in the Odin kit usually. We've got the 163R monoblade, the VMP cold air intake, triple pass heat exchanger with dual fans. We did go with the ID 1300s to allow for a little bit more fueling with this thing, and we've got our VMP plug and play return style fuel system. We're doing E85 on this build just to allow for a little bit more safety. We can throw a little bit more timing and get to that horsepower number we're targeting. I know that we've got a lot of racing planned for this year, and I couldn't be more excited to bring content on it and show you guys how far we can push this Odin build. I'm gonna go grab Joe, get his laptop out here. We're gonna put it up on the dyno and see what kind of power we're sitting at.
There was anger.
There was a little more aggression there. With 958 wheel, that was still 17 pounds of boost and about 20 degrees of timing. So now we add boost. License plate frame approved. All right.
We just got the car pulled off the dyno, and I have to say I'm really impressed with the horsepower number we got to. On just 21 pounds of boost and about 20 degrees of timing, the car was able to make 1,035 wheel horsepower. This is just a basic Odin. It's got the stage 3 port from Magnuson with the DFT technology, but nothing other than that. No special port job, no nothing crazy, just the regular off-the-shelf Odin kit that anyone can purchase. So like I said, 1,035 wheel. We still are going to turn up the boost a little bit from here. We're only on 21 pounds still, but with the built motor, we think that we can push that a little bit further. And we did decide to bring the car in. I wanted to see what it weighed, try to give us an idea what the car is gonna ET and trap at the track. So we just got the car on the scales. Let's go over here and see what kind of numbers we're looking at. All right, so we just got the car off the scales. We've got a dyno number. We know how much the car weighs. Now we've got all this power. We need to make it hook. Our friends over at BMR Suspension sent us a ton of parts, and Mr. Sauce Bosses get to install them now.
Yeah, we're gonna throw in their control arm kits, their subframe supports, bushings, everything like that. And I think we're gonna switch the rear end to 315 gear. That way we can stay in 6th gear down the quarter mile and really top it out.
All right, so we're gonna do a next episode. It's gonna be Jesse's throwing these BMR parts at it. But for now, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next episode.